同學仔你哋好啊！距離 DSE Speaking 開考咧唔夠一個禮拜嗱，咁我諗咧，你哋喺做 conversation 嘅時候咧，你哋同意或者反對人哋觀點咧，我諗你哋一定會諗到兩個句式噶啦，一個就係 I agree 啦，另一個就係 I disagree 啦。但其實除咗呢兩種嘅答法之外咧，我哋同意或者反對人哋咧，我哋有好多其他講法嘅喎。譬如我哋話同意人哋，我哋其實亦都可以話I think you're right， 係嘛？又或者咧，我哋可以話 That's a good point。好啦，咁但係我哋除咗係去指出我哋係 buy 人哋嘅 idea 之外咧，我哋最緊要係要話到俾個考官聽，我哋係同緊我哋其他嘅考生係交流緊啊嘛。咁你同人哋交流，你話你同意人哋，咁你最緊要咩啊？你會講到點解你同意人哋啊？所以我哋最好咧喺後面加翻一個我哋叫做 reason 俾佢嚇。即係譬如舉個例子，人哋話應該係去立法去加強保護呢個互聯網嘅隱私嘅嚇。咁我哋其實亦都可以話咧，that's a good point，because upholding personal privacy is important for safeguarding the mental health of every Hong Kong citizen 啦，係嘛？咁同樣啦，咁我哋講disagree with you 嘅時候咧，我哋亦都可以話 since 一個 reason， 譬如話我唔同意係去立法去禁止呢個煙草喺香港嘅流通，個原因係咩啊？原因係我哋覺得香港人有買自己心頭好嘅權利嘅。I disagree with you on the issue of prohibiting the buying of cigarettes in Hong Kong because our citizens get the right to buy the things they want。 好啦，咁今堂講咁多先啦，咁亦都做一啲宣傳啦。如果你哋想了解一下 HKDSE Speaking 嘅一個操練嘅方法，你哋想同我約個時間去喺 Zoom 又或者喺 cafe 去嚟到一個做簡單操練嘅，咁你哋可以 DM 我，又或者你哋想攞一啲 HKDSE Speaking 嘅筆記嘅話咧，亦都可以聯絡我嘅，都係歡迎你 DM 啊，係咁多。